Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by playing the video you want. Once it's running, act immediately. On mobile, tap home or swipe the video down to convert it to the mini player, and on desktop, click the small miniplayer icon next to the full screen button. You do this to free the main screen while playback continues. Once done, check that controls remain visible. This ensures you can pause, skip, or reopen the video without interrupting what you were doing. Now focus on control and positioning. You can pause, seek, or skip within the mini player. These controls mirror the main player so you don't lose functionality. Tap the mini player to expand it back to full screen or drag it to a corner to keep it out of the way. On some devices, you can also swipe it off screen to dismiss. Make sure to open the three-dot menu for captions, quality, or playback speed settings when you need them. To finish, expand the mini player to full screen or close it when you're done. A single tap usually returns you to the main player. If you want it gone immediately, swipe it off screen or stop playback. If the mini player is unresponsive, first update the app or refresh the website, then clear cache or restart the device. As a troubleshooting tip, disable browser extensions or the app's experimental features. Those often interfere with the mini player's normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.